This is 5-5. Find the possible length of a triangle. Number 12C. What is the possible length of the third side of a triangle given the other sides are 9 and 10? The issue here is that we don't know if the third side is either a small side or the largest side. Okay, therefore with this dilemma you have to have two possibilities. Okay, the first possibility is when you make the triangle, you have to assume that that triangle that you're making here, okay, is the third one is the smaller one. So let's see. So for this one, you can say that here's the 9 from before, here is the 10, and this is going to be the largest one. Okay, so this is assuming it's one of the largest. Then the other one is assuming that the 10 is the largest. Okay, so here the 10 would be the largest. Here's the 9, and here's the other one. Okay, we can just put X here, X, and this is like one of the smallest. Okay, so you have to set up two scenarios. This one is when the third side is the largest. This is when the third side is one of the smallest. Okay, and we know from our equation from before, small side plus small side is going to be greater than the largest side. Okay, all right, let's plug in our variables now. Small side is 9 plus the other side is 10 is greater than the larger side, which is X. So in this way, it is 19 is less than X, or you can say X is less than 19. Okay, do we have units? No, we don't. Okay, and let's look at this one here. Okay, so same equation from before. It is the small side plus the small side is greater than the largest side. So we can write 9 plus X is greater than 10. Subtract 9, X is greater than 1. So you can write it like this. Okay, the X here, so it's basically a compound inequality. Okay, so X is less than 19 but has to be greater than 1. This is what the third side is. Okay, the third side exists less than 19 but greater than 1. So the reason why it's a compound is because of this scenario. We don't know if the third side is either the smallest or the largest. Okay, so here's your answer.